looking not too nice looking. Looks like this box has seen some days. So this is most probably the first Master Pro in Arizona. If I'm wrong, correct me. It's tiny. It's really tiny. Look at me. I'm 6'2" and it's sitting on the foam. It's so tiny. Look, people say it's humongous. Wow. Before I touch it, let's do the close-ups. Let's see if the light, how light is. I don't even know how to turn on the light. I have yet to learn how to turn on Begode's light. So go figure. That was a lift kill switch. Before you ride on the first day, brand new UC, you have to start working on it. Shame on, shame on, shame on. Before you even think of riding this wheel, you just bought a brand new wheel, you have to start working on it. Hello and welcome to Yasaj TV. Yes, Yasaj TV is back. I'm back in Arizona and look what we got. We got ourselves a nice looking, not too nice looking. Looks like this box has seen some days. Yasaj is back. We are back in Arizona. We are back in action. We got world's fastest EUC with us. Yes, we got our hands on world's fastest, world's longest range electric unicycle, Master Pro. So this thing is enormous, man. It's so heavy. My skinny arms. This thing is pretty much. This thing is really heavy. Really heavy. The box looks like the box has seen some days. Not really proper packaging, but I hope inside everything is okay. So we got this wheel from Alien Rides, and I'm gonna be recording every single bits and pieces of this unicycle, so stay tuned. I will be doing range tests, I will be doing performance test, and I will be doing a lot of videos on this unicycle, electric unicycle. So subscribe if you haven't already. I'm just trying to find out which one is the bottom side, so I can open it accordingly. The packaging, like I said, could have been better. If my skinny arms can lift this thing, then trust me, you can. So the moment of truth. Yeah, see, I did it. So now, okay, ready for it? So I will be doing a lot of close-up shots and a lot of videos about this. What? There's another box. We knew it. Okay. First thing first. This is what you get when you order it from Alien Rides. This is how you get it. There's a pump and a mudguard. There's a pump and a mudguard. Begode mudguard. Yes, I just sniffed it. Why not? This pump is twin-one pump. You can use it for your shock absorber, and you can use it for tire. I hear this is one of the best pumps. It is even it even has a isolator and a chamber in the inflation point, the valve point. You put that on side. Some rubbish So EUC quality assurance check. Okay, who did this? Is this alien rights or is it China? Technician. Okay, we need to keep this page. And this is Chinese compliance letter, which you will get. Brick. It's giant, it's humongous. Everything about this wheel is humongous. This is 134.4 volt 3 amp charger. 3 amp charger. And that's a US plug. That's one of the benefits of buying from local. The box also has 2 fuse. This is one of the benefits of buying from local dealer. You get US plug and some Allen keys. This one has a ball at the end. Allen key with the ball, useful to work on the shocks. So now, are you guys ready? Ready for it? 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10 10. So this is most probably the first Master Pro in Arizona. If I'm wrong, correct me. This is the first Master Pro in Phoenix, Arizona. Looks beautiful. Batteries are already installed. So I will be taking close-up shots. For a second it took my breath away. I thought it's a scratch or shattered screen because box was not in good condition. So this is the lower pad. We'll have to, ooh, there's a candy. Ooh, thank you Alien Rights. They gave us a high chew. So let's put that in our mouth and take a wheel out. This will give us a needed energy. So we will put this in our mouth first, because this will give us necessary energy to pull this wheel out. Actually, I'm not gonna pull it. I was joking. I can just, no, I can't put myself in the situation. Okay, finally. So here it is. It's tiny. It's really tiny. Look at me. I'm 6'2" and it's sitting on the foam. It's so tiny. Look. People say it's humongous. Wow. Before I touch it, let's do the close-ups.
Right is the ring of words when the right man rings them. Fair the fall of songs when the singer sings them. Still they are caroled and said, on wings they are carried. After the singer is dead, when the maker burns.
So the pads look good. People say they're not good enough. There's already some scratch and damage on the pad. There is a damage on the pad. But they're soft enough. People say they're not soft. Okay. Seats, by the touch of it, looks comfy, feels comfy. The pedals look nice. these plastics. I'll have to take them out. Okay. The stand is nice. I'll do the close-up of stand in a minute. Carry it. Let's see, where will we carry it from? Okay, there's no other way but headlights. You'll have to lift it by the headlight. Trolley handle, this is the max it comes up. So for 6.2 feet, it's fine. Okay. So in order to take these plastics off completely, I will have to take the batteries out, which I'm not really keen about. Okay, she's out of the box. She's out of the box. Okay, now we will try to unlock it. Okay, it is alive. It is powered on. Okay, screen looks really nice. I never had a screen in my wheels. Screen looks nice. I'll show you the screen just now. Trolley handle, yeah, trolley handle is perfect. 6 feet 2 inch my height, and the trolley handle is perfect. This plastic is annoying me though. I don't want to take my batteries out. No, I think I'll have to. I have no choice but to take the batteries off and take the plastic out. Okay, let me show you guys the screen. Screen looks stunning. I never had a screen in any of my UCs. Okay, the backlight is blue, and I've been told that once I ride it, it goes red. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the batteries out. What are you eating? I'm gonna take the batteries out, and I'm gonna undo the plastic. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the batteries out and undo the plastic, this, and install the mudguard. And it's night time. I just arrived in Arizona and I got this package waiting for me. So it's night time. I might go for a short spin, and that would be my next video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, do so, because there will be a lot of Master Pro content coming for you guys on this channel. And if you guys watching my channel, you know I record every single thing about my wheels. I will be recording everything, how it feels while riding. Let's see if the light, how light is. I don't even know how to turn on the light. I have yet to learn how to turn on Begode's light, so go figure. Ah, that was a lift kill switch, not light button. This power button is the light button. So light looks nice, it's circle. Flash here, and that's the light. Well, it's not too bright. Could have been even brighter, it would have been even better. But yeah, I'm gonna take out batteries. Take out that rubbish plastic, install the mudguard, and go for a quick spin. And that would be my next video. Stay tuned, see you in the next one. So now I'm in process of taking this plastic out of behind the batteries, but in the same process I thought I should they pre-installed come in the mid, these pedals come in the middle position, so I thought let's do both thing, and I'm gonna bring these pedals down to last position. It was so easy just taking out these 4 screws, and there is a Loctite on these screws, so that's really good and assuring sign of some quality. Just to take the plastic out before you ride on the first day brand new, you see, you have to start working on it. Shame on. So I haven't even jumped on the CUC yet. I mean, haven't even ridden the CUC yet. I'm already opening up batteries. Before you even think of riding this wheel, you just bought a brand new wheel, you have to start working on it just to get the plastic out. The tape is rubbish, so I will be installing Velcro and doing a long job. I was trying to do a shortcut so I can quickly just go out and ride. Things looks like I'll have to install Velcro anyways. So next video will be my first riding experience on Master Pro.